Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's JB here. I'm heading home. Just alighted from a matatu. I'm going home. I'm so happy. It rained. You can even see from the muddy water here. And see. So it did not look like it was so big, the rain, but I'm glad. I'm really glad it rained. You can see from the muddy water. I'm so glad the dust is now gone. I'm so happy. You can see everything is just so cool here. Nothing much is happening except birds singing up in the sky. Nothing much. You can see even today my shoes are very clean. Today there is no dust. So you can see what is green in my village is the thorny plants. These are so sharp. They are the only plants surviving from the long drought that we've had for almost 2 months. But finally it rained yesterday. I'm glad. I can't wait to see my animals, especially my favorite checked chicken. You can see more thorny plantations. These are our adaptations, thorny plants in my village. Almost everywhere. Thorny plants. I guess it's because we're in the savannah. That's why most of our plantations are thorny. So let us get home. See, everywhere just thorny, and they are green, so green, so green. So guys, let's get home and see our favorite animals, whether they are happy because of the rains. I'm really glad everything is turning out to be green. I've noticed even when it rains a little bit, everything turns into the color green, almost just like immediately. So let's get home, see what's happening there. More muddy water. So it rained, it dried. I'm so glad personally. I'm so happy for the rains. Finally, the rains have come. Can't wait to check whether our tanks got a little bit of this rain water. You can see it rained. So guys, I'll see you back at home with our favorite animals. So continue liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting on my channel. It's JB.